guys, good morning. If it's morning for you, it's such a beautiful day again today. I hope you're enjoying it outside, that I decided to bring our school outside. So, as you see, you should be ready for morning work 31.3 and your math lesson. So go ahead and get out RW and PW 118, your morning worksheet packet for 31.3, and this is day 3, and today is Wednesday, April 15th, okay? So go ahead and get that ready, pause it, and then come back when you're ready, okay? Outside there are dogs. I put the loudest dog in the house, so hopefully we'll be okay. Alrighty? Okay, so let's start. Be a great idea for you guys to pause and then come back and correct instead of just copying the answers, okay? So why don't you go ahead and do that, just pause, work the problems. You could work as many as you want and then come back and we'll check and see how you did, okay? Okay, I'll give you a moment to do that. Okay, you're back. Let's take a look. You see that you're subtracting all the way across. Is there more on the floor? No. So 5 minus 2, did you get 3? Good job. 2 take away 6, be careful, that's not 4 because the 6 has to come out of the 2. So there's more on the floor, go next door to the hundreds place. Leaving 8 hundreds, now you have 12 tens, okay? So 12 take away 6, you should have said 6 because 6 plus 6 is 12. We don't put a 0 in the front. This is what it would look like if we did, but we don't want to because the answer is 63. So that is not necessary, okay? Okay, let's go next door. I'll switch colors. More on the floor, you should have gone next door. Grab 10 more. Put the 2 with it. You've got 12 ones, take away 6, which is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 minus 7, more on the floor. This is where we're gonna double dip. We're gonna go to the hundreds place. Now I'm gonna show you a shortcut. Instead of crossing out the 2, let's just put that 100 that we borrowed in front of the 2. Because either way we would have gotten 12 tens. So 12 tens take away 7 tens. Should have been 5. I always have to check. Some I don't have memorized. 6 take away 5 is 1 less. So 156, if you got that one right. We're going to switch. If you got that one right. 353, take away 308. More on the floor than the 3. You've got to go next door. You should have had 13 take away 8. And that would be a 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 take away nothing, bring down your 4, and we don't put a 0 at the front of a number. 45 is your answer, okay? So here, do you have more on the floor? Nope. So you just subtracted and got 5. 7 take away 2, you can do it because that's smaller, and that is 5. 6 take away 2 would be 4. 455, okay? So go ahead and see if you got those ones right. Okay, we're gonna go down to the next section, which is not this part. It says, write how many blocks, yikes, are in each set. Flats are hundreds, you're right. Rods are tens, and cubes are ones. We call those units, good. So how many hundreds do you see there? 4, good. So, is it in a box? Yeah. So you've got 4 hundreds. How many rods? Those are tens. You've got 4. And how many cubes, units? You've got 2. So that says what? 442. That would be 4 flats, right? I'll overlap them. 4 rods and 2 units. Good. Look at the next one. What'd you put? Good. There were 7 hundreds. How many tens did you put? 3. Good. And how many ones did you count? 8, good. So you had 738 there, right? Okay, good. Read the next section. What did it say? Cross out the word in each row that does not fit. It doesn't match the word in the box. So this is a balloon, okay? Kite, bubble, blimp. Well, you can say they can all go in the air, right? Balloon, a kite, bubbles go up, a blimp, like the Goodyear blimp is those big, large balloons in the air. But one of these doesn't fit. Let's think about the shape of a balloon. Is a kite round and filled with air? No. Is a bubble round and filled with air? Is a blimp roundish and filled with air? Yeah. So kite would be the one that does not fit. Broom, something you sweep with, right? Rake, ladder, shovel. Okay. What do you think? You think rake and broom can go together? Yeah. Same kind of motion. How about ladder? A ladder is something you climb, right? You don't climb a broom or a rake, and you shouldn't climb a shovel, right? So you should go with ladder. Okay. This is cougar. I drew a cute little kitty cat. Cougars are a wildcat. That's a little too cute. So you have jaguar, cheetah, and coyote. All animals. But you got cat. Jaguar is a cat. Cheetah, cat. Coyote is in the dog family, right? So we should have crossed out coyote. Okay? So now we're down to the sentence. And the read says, hooray! Tootie finally learned a new trick. Who would name their animal Tootie? Let's see. Oh, it's a poodle. Okay, the words say, through a taut chute to large her Sue poodle hoop. What do you say is the first word? Sue. It's the only one that has a capital, right? It would be capitalized anyway because it is the name of a person, but in this case, since it's the only one capitalized, we're gonna go ahead. So put a number 1 there, and you could write it later in your journal. Okay? So Sue gets a number 1. Sue did what? It says Tootie finally learned a new trick, so Sue would have taught. So that would be number 2. Sue taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. So put a 2 there because Sue taught. Sue taught who? Her. Her gets the number 3, H-E-R. Sue taught her. What kind of a dog? Poodle, number 4. Sue taught her poodle to, gets a 5, to do what? Shoot, number 6. To shoot through, number 7. Through what? A large hoop, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so write those down, and you will finish that on your own. And pause me if you want to finish that now, or just stay with me and go back and finish it when we're all finished with this, okay? Because right now we're going to look at RW and PW 118. So you probably have that out, ready to go, and you are subtracting. And it says regroup hundreds. We'll do 118 together, but 119, we'll do RW 118 together. You'll do PW 118 by yourself, okay? You should be able to do that. Okay, we'll do the first 3 just to refresh our memories, and that is 739 minus 261. 9 take away 1. You don't have to regroup, but look at the hundreds, and they warned us that you're going to be regrouping hundreds, right? More on the floor. Go to the hundreds place. That leaves 6. Now you have 13. That would be 7, correct? And then 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay? And then you've got 525 minus 293. Is this a beautiful day or what? So nice. 5 take away 3 would be 2 because 3 plus 2 equals 5, right? 2 take away 9 is not 7 because 9 is greater than 2. More on the floor, go next door. Bring it over. You've got 12 take away 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. I always count up like that. You get 3, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 because 2 plus 2 makes 4, okay? And then you've got 859 minus, not plus, minus 472. Ooh, it's a little fancy. Okay, 9 take away 2, 7. 5 take away 7, can't do it. More on the floor, go next door. Now you got 15 take away 7. 8, because 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 more would be 15. 4, 5, 6, 7. 387 is your answer. All right. So, like I promised you, go ahead and turn to the PW 118, and you've got actually 8 problems to do on your own. Okay, you should do just great with that.